So in this way, to make a difference between the Jacobins and non-prosperous and the prosperous section, they started wearing the dress like dock workers. Jacobins were known as sans culottes. Sans culottes meaning those without knee breeches. Sans culottes is a term which was used to address the people, those who were not wearing knee breeches and they were belonging to the lower section of the society. And along with this strip trousers, the Jacobins also started wearing a red Frisian cap. Frisian cap, as earlier you have learned, this symbolizes liberty. And children, here you can see on your screen, this is one of the building of convent St. Jacob, from where the Jacobin club belonged. Children, here on screens you can see the strip trousers. These are the sans culottes wearing strip trousers. You can see strip trousers and a Frisian cap, and you can say they are you can see they are having their tools, the job they do. On the other side of the screen you can see the nobles wearing knee breeches. Knee breeches, like nowadays you people wear dress like this, what is that called? I cannot remember that name, the dress which you people are wearing nowadays. So here you can see knee breeches up to the knee, they are wearing this dress and they belong to fashionable society. So and this here clearly you can see this dress, specific dress was making a difference between the non-prosperous and the prosperous society of the France. Children, this is the next, an insurrection by Jacobins in 1792. Insurrection means killing, a type of assassination or a murder. You can see a planned murder. So Jacobins, basically they were belonging to the non-prosperous section of the society, and since 1792 they were becoming powerful. Jacobin club became powerful and became the leader was also too strong. So gradually they increased their power and they planned an insurrection. They planned an insurrection of Parsians who were angered by the short supply and high prices of food. Jacobins, by this time the Jacobins were in majority in assembly. Basically Jacobin, actually it became a political club or a political party, and their power, they were majority in assembly. So when the Parisians means the citizens, those who were angered with the government just because of the high prices and shortage of food supply, they planned an insurrection. On August 10th, they stormed the palace of the Tuileries. Tuileries, it was a place or a new palace where the king was living after the first phase of revolution in 1791. So they killed the guards of the king and made him hostage to whom the king's guard were killed by these Jacobins, and after that they made the king hostage. Hostage, did you know? We can say the nazarband. Okay, under the supervision of the people, that is the hostage or nazarband. They are in the palace only. The National Assembly voted to imprison the royal family. Again there was a proposal passed in the National Assembly, and as you know that Jacobins were in majority in the assembly, so the voting was in the favor of the Jacobins, and they proposed the prison to the royal family, means all king along with its all family member, they were sent to the jail.